I was 24, I first came up with the idea to start my own shop. I just wanted to challenge myself, provide myself with every opportunity I could with technology, advance my skills, which I've been able to do far more than working for anyone ever could offer me as far as a shop. And I just wanted the extra challenge. I like the extra work, I like the fast pace, and I like being able to connect with my customers. My name's Donaworth. I'm the owner of Dan's Custom Machining. We're based just outside of Williamsburg, Ohio. We're a job shop. We primarily serve the aerospace, medical, military, and we also do product development along with some machine tool manufacturers. Biggest struggles I have being a one-man shop is time management, trying to keep the machine running as fast as I can, quick setups, because for us we do one-off parts. We're very lucky if we run 5 of something before we're on to the next job. So machine setup is our biggest issue. When we first started out, I was looking at, I needed more travel of the machine to support larger parts. We needed more power to handle the advanced super alloys and tool steels and stainless. Quicker setup times, as we very rarely run more than 5 of something, so we're constantly changing out tools. And maintenance of the machine was another big factor, because you're always going to need maintenance at some point in the machine tool's life, and that was a big concern with us being a smaller shop, getting the service that we needed. Since we've added the Hurco to the shop, it's far exceeded what we could do. Our setup time as far as tool changeover has been reduced by over 50%. With the tool material library that's in the machine, we can store up to 9,999 tools. The power, we've been able to far exceed what our cut capability was for steels and stainlesses as far as depth of cut and metal removal rates. Interrupt cycle on the Hurco really allows us to grasp as we're running a one-off part. We can pause the machine, head retracts, bring the part to us, inspect what we need, make sure it's running how it's supposed to, and with the simple click of a button it goes right back to where it was and continues machining. In the next 5 years, we picture our company growing into the 5-axis machining world. Additive manufacturing is a big area that we want to start exploring, and we'd like to expand our shop by double the size.